Hello scale traders, this is Edwin. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to update a new tracker. Okay, so what we've got is an old tracker. So this is how you can tell what tracker you have. Right up here, it will say the version. And so that's how you know what version you have. If we release a new version, we'll let you know that we've released a new version. You'll download that tracker, upload your most recent scale keys, and now you have the new tracker, right? So you've got the new tracker. In this case, it's version 21-027. And then you have all your coins that, let's say in this case, you're tracking these 4 coins. You want to take all of your information from these coins, which I'm going to pause the video and then put some real quick data in here because, of course, you want to take that coin, and then you want to input that information into the new tracker. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so I've actually just opened up my tracker, an old tracker that I have. And what we're going to do is, let's say we're, instead of all of these coins, maybe you're only tracking 4 coins. So let's say you're tracking, let's say you've been invested in 1. And so let's go here to 1. So this is your current tracker, right? And so you need all of this data into your new tracker because the tracker is just simply tracking everything that you've been doing on the coins in the platform. But you need to transfer all this to your new tracker so that you can stay on top of what you're earning as far as an annual, as far as a quarterly, how much money you've earned in those coins to date. So that's why this is really important. So we're going to go ahead and update. We're going to take all of our information from the one coin, and we're going to put it into our new tracker. So first off, the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you input the proper balance. So in this case, it was 6,000. So you want to put 6,000 here. All right, and you'll see it populates all the numbers. And then, of course, you're going to want to make sure that whatever coins you're currently tracking, you're going to input into the new tracker. Now, I'm not going to do this with all the coins, but let's say, like I said, we're going to be going with 1. So we're going to come down here, find 1. All right, so find 1 on the new tracker. Where is 1? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here we go, 1. So we're going to go ahead and click type in the number 1. That means we're tracking it. And then, of course, we need to create the new page. This will probably be the hardest part, or the longest part, is going and creating all of your new coin pages. Don't worry, we do not update the tracker often at all. Only primarily the reason we did this update, so from a version 26 to version 27, was because we added the ability to track Coinbase and the cost of Coinbase. So you definitely want to get the most up-to-date recent version. So we're going to go ahead and say, yes, this is the new coin. So now we're tracking 1. We're going to go ahead and go down here and track 1. And then remember, all you're doing is you're going to go back here, and in each one of the coins, you go on that coin, and you basically, everything in a blue field, you go ahead and copy. So we said that we're invested $420.68. So we'll come over to the new tracker, $420.68. All right, and then of course that fills out the rest of the information. Now just be aware that this information is going to be skewed because it's all based on the 6,000 recommended amount, right? So remember, the numbers will all work out as you get all of the coins that you were tracking into your new tracker, okay? But for now, we're going to come back here. We're going to start copying. Now remember, you want to copy only everything in the blue columns. So if it's a blue column, you want to copy it. And remember, you're going to copy and then paste special. So Command or Control C, come over to your new, go to the very top, make sure you are at the top, okay? So in this case, it was 19 because remember, in this new version, there's some changes. As you can see right here near the top, we've made some changes. So look right here in this empty space as far as the cost and the trackers. So you're going to see some changes right here. We let you know what exchange that coin is that we're tracking, as well as the maker and taker fees automatically based on the tier level. Okay, and all of this is based on your target list. That's a different training. So just know that you'll come up here to the very top. You always, because sometimes you might be down here further down the tracker, so you'll want to scroll up to the top and then right click, paste special and values only. We're not doing values in number formatting or source formatting or any other things. We're simply keeping values because you don't want to replace the formulas or anything like that. So we'll just click the values. There you go. It's going to look like that. Then you come back over here, your next set of blue columns, which will be these. Go ahead, Command or Control C for copy, and then come over here at the very top. You're going to paste values only. And you're going to start seeing this, that it pretty much plugs and plays and fills in everything as if you had been using this tracker for the entire time. And that's what we're trying to do, right? We're trying to recreate, mimic everything from your old tracker onto your new one so that the data is accurate, it's input properly, and you are ready to pick up right where you left off as soon as you begin to place your updated scales. And this will be our last set of copy and paste. Come over here. Remember, always go paste special. If you accidentally paste, just do, let's say you command and copy and paste, and you paste over some stuff. All you have to do is, after it's done, just move the cell, highlight a different cell, come over here and just click backwards to take you back out. And then you can go in properly and paste it as intended. So copy or paste special, then values. All right. Now you have everything should mimic exactly as in your first one. So your first one should have $8.19. In this case, $8.19 in pending profit, $431.12 in realized profit. Let's come back here. There we go, $430. So the change because of the tracker fee, and this is why. Just want to let you know, make sure that if you are and you're uploading a new tracker, make sure that your fees are properly set. And there is a separate video on the fees, but you'll want to make sure that if you're investing on Binance and you use BNB to pay the fees, you have that checked yes. And so that will properly put you, give you your maker and your taker fee cost. And then we'll come back here. And there we go, $431.12. So again, unfortunately, as you update your tiers, as you reinvest and invest more money into your scale trading methodology, right now we don't have the ability to basically set a tier based on previous entries. So everything's going to be most recent and updated. So as you update your tiers and you actually get a discount, a bigger discount on your maker and taker fees, it's going to reflect different profits here. So that's always wise. Anytime you change a major asset or basically change something here on the target list, you'll probably want to download the newest version of the tracker and then make sure you update all of that information right here on the new tracker, and then you plug and play all of the data for the past scales, the entry and exit scales, okay? If you have any questions at all, I know that this can be sometimes a little overwhelming. It's not that difficult at all. The biggest thing, like I said, is actually going in here, recreating, especially when you're tracking, like in my case, I've got 20 coins I'm invested in. So the hardest and longest thing is to create new coin pages, input all the data, and just copy and paste. But I can do 20 coins. Once you get the hang of it, you can do that in about 15 minutes. It's not that long. And this will allow you to stay really up to date with everything that is happening on your coins. So this has been Edwin. Thank you so much. Happy scaling, and we will see you on the Facebook page as you are posting your entry and exit scales and how this is helping transform your investing trajectory.